Yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick tour around my studio before it gets in a bit of a mess again. I've just tidied it up and thought that was the opportune time to give you a little look-see into the space that I used to create. So of course we have the desk, computer desk. And we have a couple of spots for creating with paint, etc. This cabinet here is one that I got from my dad, but I'm not sure whether he made it because he passed away a number of years ago now. My sewing corner and my filing cabinet full of maps and all sorts of other goodies for creating mixed media. And then we have some of these sewn items, and then we can have a big look around and my display area, which has some of my artwork that I need to put on the website. Whoops. Picture I got from Bustleton, another piece of artwork. Closer look at some of the shelves. It's the US spot with a few of the souvenirs. Like to collect maps and globes and clocks and other things that remind me of trips. This is from Margaret River in Australia, IKEA in Sweden, a local florist in Hamilton, Artiflax, one of my pieces of art, and some other mementos. So I am sure that the spot will be a little bit messy again soon, but hope you have enjoyed that little tour of my studio.